People like you and me, what sort of threats do we receive on a day-to-day basis? Return our money and bear with the consequences. But the elites of the society, the VVIPs, the delegates, the more important people of the society, they receive threats which are much more intense than ours. Not to mention about the frequency and the words death being repeated on many occasions. For people like them, normal chauffeur-driven cars just don't cut it. For people like them, there's the Audi A8 L Security. This is Anand Pandey from BBC Top Gear Mag India, and here are 5 cool things that you should know about this armored German sedan. Number 1, the escape. So anyone out there who senses danger first, the first instinct is to just run away from it. So if you're on the Audi A8 L Security, you're going to be lucky because it is powered by Audi's 4-litre TFSI V8 engine, which puts around 571 HP and 800 Newton meters of torque. Now, despite the sheer weight of this armored sedan, which stands at 4.5 tons, Audi claims that this can sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 6.3 seconds. These run-flat packs tires are also a part of the package. So when deflated completely, these can run up to 80 km at speeds up to 80 km per hour. Should you fail to escape the bad guys and they manage to catch up with you, they are going to have a hard time penetrating through this, because the passenger cell that you see here, it complies with bulletproof class VR9, and the windows, well, they are one level above, VR10. Several important elements of the car, as well as communication devices, the second battery and other elements of the car are also armor protected. There's also reinforced armor plating on the underbody should you cross over magnetic mines. How cool is that? If you are a fan of heavy doors, the Audi A8 L Security, it is going to baffle you or melt your heart away, because the doors are really heavy. To alert the outside world and communicating with the fleet, there's a whole host of LED system which works in tandem in synchronizing the whole convoy. There's also an alarm button right here on the console, and if pressed, it activates the high beam of the vehicle, all the indicators as well as the siren, and we have strict instructions from Audi not to press that. As seen in countless movies, the easiest way to bring down a car is to shoot at its fuel tank, and if the bad guys attempt to do the same with the Audi A8 L Security, they are going to be in for a surprise, because this particular fuel tank, it is sheathed with a special reactive material which increases in volume when it comes in contact with gasoline, so it significantly minimizes the spillage of fuel. There's also an emergency fresh air system built inside this cabin. So when you press a particular button on the console, what it does is it injects fresh oxygen inside the cabin if the car senses that there's a chemical attack on it from the outside. Here's some more fun facts about the Audi A8 L Security. This armored beauty, it costs almost 12 crores without the optional extras. And your driver, if you acquire this vehicle in your garage, your driver will have to go through a rigorous training program by Audi. So they'll teach him basics of how to drive this 2.5-ton behemoth and the basics of all the security systems as well. So if you like this video, if you watched this video till the end, subscribe to our channel. This is Anand Pandey from BBC Top Gear Mag India signing off.